How y'all like that trade today? Fire? Gas?
Fire,
Lit?
gas,
Mario pay
Fire.
lit,
attention.
all that.
Just waiting for these reactions right here. We might want to see this 88 rejection up here. I really want to see it come and clear up this gap that we have on the downside. It's a nice area for it to reject that, in my opinion. It's already overbought. We also have some divergence kind of adding up. I like that. So that being said, take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute is overbought. I'm gonna scale in one position here. Let me wait for this position. Hold up, I haven't entered it yet. Let it tap that 88. Once it taps the 88, I'll take it. Right, 88 just tapped. Right. Great set. Stop loss above. Rejection is there. Waiting for this rejection. I feel like the buying pressure was there, and we saw that. That was that market open buying pressure. Now I really want to get that rejection from this candle on the 30-minute below that 88.6. But if anything, we'll find it on the 15-minute. And I feel like that would be the ideal place to look at that for. So it is overbought. It's at the 80 line, the 80 mark. Overbought. This was at the 79, so pretty much 80. So let's give that a wait and might try to grab some liquidity up here first and then try to dip back down. We got that rejection below that 88 on the 5-minute. That might be a nice clear sign for that. Maybe scale in another position. Wait for it here. 15-minute closure. Bullish. If this 15-minute engulfs it, that's gonna be crazy. She's like stuck up there, so hopefully this is the rejection we want for the 15 minutes. I'll give it this whole 30-minute candle and see what's up. I'm intrigued to see what the 4-hour candle gives us. We'd love to see the 4-hour candle pull back below the 88. Give us that wick. That would be nice. I'm seeing that selling pressure though, which is a good thing, but at the same time, it's like we really gotta wait it out and see what it really wants to do. Guys, I'm liking this. Beautiful rejection that we're getting. We'd love to see, 100 points down. So somewhere from here to here would be nice. Like I've told you guys before, when it wants to buy up, it's gonna buy up. Like we've already seen it the past couple of weeks where it's just a massive bullish candle up and it doesn't give you any retracement. Right now we got a 15-minute candle that's about to close bearish. That's a good sign for that to kind of start pushing down. Give you at least 100 point, probably engulf the whole 30 minutes. Give or take. On the 30 minutes is leaving a wick. We're coming back down to that 80 right now, the 88 area. So I'm liking where we're at. 15-minute breaks below this. We should be good. I really want to see what's going to happen here. The 4 hours looking good though. Look, I want y'all to peep this. That 4 hour looking good. If y'all holding past that first TP, just know that 100 points was already hit. That's all up to you guys. If you guys want to continue that, I see it still melting. However, it still needs to do some retracements and stuff like that before anything. So just be very mindful of that. It's looking pretty good to me, but it's looking good to me. Oh yeah, absolutely. They'll probably give you guys 200 points. If we do a small scalp, you guys can probably buy it up for a small scalp. Give you guys a pullback, continue for the sales for the day. She's setting up for the rest of the market though, guys. Remember, Monday is setting you guys up for Tuesday. So tomorrow there's a lot of news that we're gonna have come out. A lot of important news. So this one doesn't come out very often. So when it does come out, it's gonna be a lot of manipulation in the market. It's always come out positive for the past couple months. I am sensing some negative pressure. So consumer confidence as well is going to come out. That adds a lot of volume. The fact that one is at 9 a.m. and one is at 10 a.m., we need to be very careful with what the market gives us. Here you guys go. So all I see is green, green, green. We have 3 days winning streak. We have a 72 win rate. Projected factor, profit factor, the 3.0. Wins, average loss, so whatever. Took some losses yesterday, and the first day we traded it, made it back. And more. 88 rejection was perfect today, guys. Would love to see the 200 TP. I really would. But I can't complain with the 100 TP. And the 100-point execution could have not been better. You guys know that I was trying to go for 200. I was smelling something else in this market, bro. And there it is. So, see what's going to happen here. Maybe it pushes out completely and sells off or not. Let's see. Deuces, guys. I'm out of here. All right. We had a good start to the week. Everyone's in blues. Get it. Tomorrow's another day.